Okay, good afternoon. So last video we discussed a formula, that is Rankins crippling load, Rankins formula for crippling load. But in this video we are going to discussing a problem by using Rankins crippling load, by using formula Rankins formula. Okay, the problem is a straight bar that is 2 meters long is used as a structure, with both ends fixed. So the end condition is both ends are fixed. So both ends are fixed, and when an axial load of 7.50 kilonewtons. So this is the solution, and the length of the bar is nothing but length of the bar, that is L. Length of the bar is nothing but 2 meters, that is 2000 mm, for changing into meters from meters to mm, and usually with both ends are fixed. So with both ends are fixed, the equivalent length is nothing but L equal to L by 2, that is equivalent length of the column L equal to L by 2, by both ends are fixed, the equivalent length L equal to L by 2. So L is nothing but 2000 by 2 equal to 1000 mm. Okay, and next buckling load. Here axial load is nothing but buckling load is nothing but crippling load. So this buckling load is nothing but PCR equal to 7.50 kilonewtons. So here allowable crushing stress for this material given in the problem 330 Newton per mm square. So here you can also change it, must be units in the combination of Newton to mm. So here kilonewton, and you have to change these units from kilonewton to Newton, and for changing kilonewton to mm you have to multiply with 10 to the power of 3 newtons. So the answer is 7500 newtons. And next the FC is nothing but the allowable crushing stress is in the problem 330 Newton per mm square, and next alpha value equal to 1 by 7500. So there is no units. Why? Because this is a Rankins constant, there is a no units. So what is the D? So D is nothing but a bar, this is found buckle. What is should be the diameter? Diameter is nothing but a D. So what is the D value? And for this is a solid circular section. Why? Because here only a diameter of the rod, here only not external diameter and not internal diameter and not external diameter. Here he required only diameter. So by this question, and you can understand this section is a circular section, solid circular section, and you have to find this diameter value, how much the diameter value. So this is the diameter. So area of solid circular section, area of circular section that is A. So A is nothing but pi by 4 d square, and next you have to find a radius of gyration. The least radius of gyration, denominator K minimum equal to under root of I minimum by A. So K square equal to I by A. So here already you can get the area formula, that is pi by 4 d square, and the I is nothing but moment of inertia. So moment of inertia for a solid circular section, denominator I, the formula is pi by 64 capital D power 4, small d power 4, pi by 64 small d power 4, and the formula is K square equal to I is nothing but pi by 64 d power 4 and a is nothing but pi by 4 d square, and here pi cancel, and 4 16 times and d square. So the answer is d square by 16. Here d square by 16. Here total denominator cancel with the numerator. So in this numerator remaining letters are d square by 16. So k square equal to d square by 16. So instead of k square you have to substitute d square by 16, and the both ends are hinged already condition, and by applying a Rankins formula for these question, by applying a Rankins formula. So the Rankins formula is PCR equal to FCA by 1 plus alpha L by K whole square is the formula. This is the formula. Okay. So substituting all values in this formula, and you have FC value and area value and 1 plus alpha constant value and L by K whole square value, and both answers are substituting in this formula, all answers. So PCR is nothing but so already find the PCR value, that is the PCR is 7500 newtons. So here 7500 newtons equal to FC. What is the FC value? 330, and what is the area value? Pi by 4 into d square. Area of solid circular section, you don't know the d value, and actually you find that d value by using this process. And 1 plus alpha value is nothing but 1 by 7500, and L is nothing but 1 meter here. Okay, and here you have to substitute equivalent length value, not actual length. Why? Because here given a end conditions, that is both ends are fixed, and you have to substitute equivalent length only, not actual length, equivalent length. That is equivalent length is nothing but 1000. So 1000 square, and k square. So this is L square by k square. L by k whole square is nothing but L square by k square. So L square is nothing but 1000 square, and k square is nothing but d square by 16. And here 7500 and 330 pi by 4 d square by 1 plus 1 by 7500, and here 1000 square. This is denominator value going to the numerator, and this is the d square, and the 7500, and this total value. So you can entered in the calci, and you get the 259.18 d square. D square you don't know the value of d square, and by this process you have to find that the d square, and 1 plus and this total answer you have to entered in the calci. You can get 213333 by d square. So d square value you don't know, that is so equal to 259.18 d square. So here d square is the LCM. So d square is the LCM. So d square into d square, so d square plus 1 d square plus 2133.33. Okay, and next simplify this equation, you can get a d value. Here 7500 equal to 259.18 d square, 259.18 d square by d square plus 2133.33 by d square. Okay, and you have multiply with 7500 d square. So d square going to the numerator, it is d power 4, 259.18 d square into d square, d power 4 by d square plus 2133.33. Okay, and here going to cross multiplication. So 7500 d square and 7500 into 2133.33. So you can get 16 into 10 to the power of 6 equal to 259.18 d power 4. 18 d power 4. So this 259.18 d power 4 coming into left hand side, that is 259.18 d power 4 here minus 7500 d square and minus 16.10 to the power of 6 equal to 0. So here d power 259.18 is the common value. 259.18 is the common value, and you have to get the d power 4 minus 28 into 94 d square minus 61733.14 equal to 0. So here 28.94 into 259.18. This is the answer. 7500.692. So here 259.18 is the common value, and 28.94 d square, this is into this, and you can get a 61,733.14. and here you can assume use d square equal to a and d power 4 equal to a square. So these values substituting in equation number star, and you can get d square minus 2894 a square minus and a minus 61733.14 equal to 0. And solving by quadratic equation in the calci, that is the process is you can enter mode. So this is the equation, quadratic equation. So equation is number 5, that is 5, and this equation in the type of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square, a is 1 minus bx plus c. So x square plus bx in the equation 3. So 3, and you have entered this a value. A value is 1 equal to, and b value is minus 28.94, enter, and c value is minus 61733.14, enter, and the answer is 263 is the one answer, and then another answer is minus 234. So distance is not in the meters, diameter is not in negative value, it is a positive value, and you must take from these values, you must take a positive value. So the positive value is a equal to 263.35. 263.35 is the answer. But here a is nothing but d square. So a is nothing but so d square is nothing but a. So a answer is 263.35. So d equal to under root of 263.35, and the answer is d equal to 16.23 mm. Why? Because these are all units are in mm. All units are is in mm. So you can get answer is also mm. So therefore dia of rod equal to 16.23 mm is the answer. 16.23 is the answer. So this is the solid circular section. This is the center point, and this diameter is nothing but a 16.23. So this is the solution, and this is a very, very important solution by using Rankins constant. So here required what should be the diameter. So the diameter of the rod is nothing but 16.23. So this is the solution. Okay, you practice more problems with multiple examples. That is more problems is in the last page of your second chapter. So you practice. You can choose multiple problems from from last page of the second chapter. Okay, and practice with multiple problems. So this is a very important problem. Okay, thank you.